Hello everyone, today I will show you how to highlight text in a PDF file with a red color using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file. Now select this page layout option, this review option, and here you will find this highlight option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your text you want to highlight. Now click on this highlight text and this properties option and this highlight color and select a red color and see this red color now change. Also you can change opacity, you can increase decrease this red color opacity. I will make it 70 and see this. Again I will highlight this word. If you want you can add other color or custom color. Here you can choose this custom color and so on and see this, and this way you can change highlighted text opacity. Also highlight this text and see this and click on this text as properties, color and see this. In this way you can highlight text on your PDF file and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.